We're here at Highland Hill Farm. This is an eagle that's been flying around for quite a few days. About the best I can get with this camera. We're right here in Doylestown. And this thing has been working around here and building a nest. You can just see his white head on the top of this thing if you look closely. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, and if you want to come and view this eagle, you can come anytime you want. We have an eagle viewing area for you, so give us a call at 215-651-8329. Yesterday this eagle was carrying branches for a nest, so we know we're within 1 mile of the nest. The nest is most likely in Peace Valley Park. So give us a call, 215-651-8329, or come to 5275 West Swamp Road, Fountainville, PA. I'm sorry it's way up there. That thing's up at least about 1,000 feet. Yesterday we had a lot of good shots of it real close to the ground. And we're right on Route 313 in Fountainville. And the eagle will fly up and down this little valley right here. There's a creek called Peace Valley Park in here, and it's a creek in here. And you're welcome to come. We have an eagle viewing area for you. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. We also sell lots of trees, plants, and shrubs that you can also view at the same time. So give us a call. Come and see the eagle. I believe that's an osprey right there. We're here at Highland Hill Farm. It's either an osprey or an eagle. I believe that's the osprey that's working at Peace Valley Park. This is a block of emerald green arborvitae, just to give you an idea. These are from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 foot. And they held up pretty well through the winter. Sometimes you do lose a branch due to snow load, but it didn't seem to be so bad. If we take a look over here, you can see these are technique, and you can see how they just fell right apart. So, a few primordialis in there. But you can just see the difference, how well these held together versus some of these other.
Hello, my name is Mike Hurst, and we're at Highland Hill Farm. And in back of us we have an emerald green arborvitae. It's about 4 foot tall. We can deliver and plant this at your house anywhere on the East Coast for $35. Emerald green is a tight, compact arborvitae that gets about 15 to 20 feet tall depending on your environmental circumstances. Across the way over here is a rerun cypress. Again, they are $35 delivered and planted. They grow very quickly. They like full sun and moist, well-drained soils. They get about 35 to 40 feet tall and about 8 foot wide. Next one on the list is the green giant arborvitae. This plant is a very fast, very dependable plant. They are also $35 each delivered and planted. They like full sun but can tolerate the shade fairly well. The more sun you give it, the faster they grow. And they're fairly good against deer. They are a good application if you wanted to block your neighbors very quickly. If you need any of these, give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Mike. In the background out here you can see we also have stone products. We have larger arborvitaes. We sell all different sizes of trees and shrubs. So whether you want hardwoods, softwoods, evergreens, or deciduous trees, give us a call at 215-651-8329. We're here in Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Herkimer, New York, and Crows, Virginia. Thank you very much. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. These are green velvet boxwoods. These are about 36 inches. You can see down there we have quite a few more of them. So give us a call at 215-651-8329.
This is a block of witch hazel vernalis. They run in here anywhere from about 4 to 5 up to 7 to 8 and some 8 to 9 down in the lower end. Beautiful heavy block. Very nice plants. Good native tree.
This is a field of Leland cypress. 8 to 10, 10 to 12s are down in there. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. Others over here for the Techne and the pyramidalis.